Okay, so the stock exhaust is out. There we go. I basically used 12mm to unscrew 8 of these nuts. So it looks like something like that. So you unscrew all of those down there, like right underneath, as you can see there. This is where the whole pipe supports its weight. And there's my slip-on hanging on up there. I'm just gonna put it back together. But once you unscrew all those, 8 at the front, 1 at the back, it should just slide down, slide out. Oh, and don't forget to unplug your, I think this is O2 sensor. Yeah, so you unscrew that. This one goes directly here, so you just unplug it. There's no tap or anything. You just force pull it, it comes off. So you unplug this, and then I don't really need it because I flushed my ECU, so I already have my O2 sensor disabled on the ECU level, so I don't really need it. But if you're on a stock bike, you'll probably have to put that back together. So it's just a hollow, empty pipe. That's it. Whereas the stock one, you got this part with the catalytic converter inside. So yeah, such a big difference. Ton of weight reduction. Red might be an overkill, but it's better to be safe. And just in case to prevent any leaks, I also got the gasket. Alright, so it's taking a little longer than expected, but pretty much what I'm doing so far is I basically connect all those pipes, use the sealant to make a gasket, so I used it inside, wiped it off, and then so was the tip, so there goes a bit at the front. So it goes inside, make the seal, and then I use the thread locker to mount it up there, and then it goes up towards the bike. Alright, keep going. As you can see, it's fully installed. It's now a full exhaust, but it took forever. The sun is already set. I started to work on like 6 p.m. and it's 9 p.m. right now, so it took about 3 hours. Use the gasket to seal every single gap, and then make sure everything was in spec. Use the torque digital torque meter to tighten everything back to the torque. And then for the exhaust, there are 8 nuts, so those should be tightened in order. And then after they're tightened to the torque, I had to start up the engine, let everything warm up for like 10 minutes, start it down, and then tighten back up to the spec. So that's what I just did. So now everything should be good. Everything is nice and secure. Man, full exhaust. Let's go. So yeah, now actually right now the valve is closed, so we're gonna do a comparison of what it sounds like when the valve is closed. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and open up the valve.
But since it's a longer pipe with the valve closed, it's a little bit quieter than the stock pipe with a short muffler. And then when I open it up with the full exhaust, it just gets out of control. Which means since now I have a full pipe, if I put a short muffler, which is basically the same as straight pipe, it's gonna get ridiculously loud. I'm not gonna be doing that. Wow. It already sounds good. I'm gonna go to my usual spot, the tunnel down there, so I can rev up and see what it feels like, or what it sounds like. So this exhaust pipe, because of its own unique structure, has a resonance that sounds like it's some kind of like race machine. It's actually crazy. Sorry, she's listening to music. You sing the same thing. Alright, are you ready, pipe? tinted windshield, but actually my point of view is slightly above the windshield, so I don't really see through the windshield, but the camera is below my eye level, so the camera does see through the windshield. So the viewers might think that you know, I see nothing, but I actually see everything. Alright, let's go. The resonance on this thing is so good. Actually sounds like I'm some kind of like a race car. Full exhaust. Wow. I do feel the heat directly. Damn. There goes the airplane. Now it actually sounds nasty fast when I'm going super slow. Look at this, like, listen to this resonance, it's insane.